In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of attached files not showing in Outlook Mail. This can be a common problem, but luckily it's usually straightforward to resolve. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to get your attachments visible and accessible again. First, make sure you're on the Outlook homepage. You can do this by navigating to outlook.live.com/mail on your web browser. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a gear icon which represents the settings menu. Click on this gear icon to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the Mail option. This will direct you to the settings specifically related to your email preferences. Once you're in the Mail settings, look for the Layout section. Under this section, you'll find an option labeled Attachments. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can manage how attachments are handled in your Outlook account. Now that you're in the attachment settings, it's important to check your sharing preferences. There should be an option to switch the sharing preferences on. Enabling this feature is crucial because it ensures that your attachments are set to be visible and shared appropriately. If this option is turned off, it might be the reason why your attachments aren't showing up as expected. After adjusting the sharing preferences, don't forget the final but vital step. Click on Save. This button is usually located at the bottom or top of the settings page. By saving your changes, you're ensuring that the adjustments you've made are applied to your account settings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have resolved the issue of attachments not showing in Outlook Mail. Remember, sometimes it just takes a simple settings adjustment to fix what might seem like a bigger problem. If you continue to experience issues, it might be worth checking for updates to your browser or ensuring that there are no connectivity issues interfering with Outlook's functionality. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your Outlook attachments back on track. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and troubleshooting guides. Have a great day.